Hi faves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how I made this delicious looking Oha soup. It was so nose blinding and so mouth watering. If today is the first time you're coming across my YouTube channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Kindly grab your seat and sit back to enjoy every bit of what I've got to share with you. So these are the things I'll be using to make my Oha soup, but not just this. As we progress into the cooking, I'll be unveiling other cooking spices and the condiments. I have my cocoyam, I have my fresh oral leaf, I have my uziza leaf and the uziza seed as well. I was lucky enough to get the seeds, guys. These are the seeds. I like to add the seeds to my oral soup because it helps to elevate the taste and the aroma. Trust me, guys, if you haven't been adding to that, kindly do so. You will see the difference. I have my dry prawns and crayfish. I have my pepper and my stockfish. Yes. So right now the cooking proper. In a clean pot, I'll be adding my cow intestine, my cow strides, nicely washed with some salt. Please wash your proteins thoroughly. Right now, I'll be going in with my beef, nicely washed as well, and some cow skins, nicely chopped to chewable sizes. And lastly, I went in with my stockfish and some bouillon cubes. Next, I'll be adding a little salt, about a tablespoon of salt and some pepper. I'll be rinsing my blender with just a little water and I'll be stirring for everything to combine. At this point, I won't be adding water. I'll be cooking on a medium heat for about 30 to 45 minutes. You wouldn't want to have a strong or tough proteins when making your soup. So you have to be that patient to have a very soft proteins, right? So you don't get tired of eating. I'll give it a stir and I just added a little water to commence the cooking of our proteins so that they become very tender. I'll commence also the cooking and allow to cook for extra 20 minutes. I just went to the freezer to get our fermented locust beans. I forgot I haven't gotten that out. So right now I went back to check our proteins and I just added our red oil. I'll give it a quick stir, and behind the camera I washed thoroughly my cocoyam I showed you earlier and I cooked it until it became very tender. I used my blender to blend. You can see how silky that looks and it's lumps free. If you don't have a blender, feel free to use your pestle and mortar. So I've added the fermented locust beans, about a tablespoon of that. I've added our remaining pepper, some bouillon, and lastly I'm adding our salt. Please be mindful of salt, okay? I'll give it a quick stir and cook on a medium heat for about 20 minutes so that our cocoyam will get fully dissolved. 20 minutes later, guys, this is what we'll have. Our cocoyams are fully dissolved. And now I'll be adding my blended dry prawns. Next, I'll be adding my blended crayfish and I'll stir for everything to combine. If you are using cocoyam as a thickener, please be mindful that your soup will thicken more once it cools down, okay? Yes. Now I'm adding our uziza leaf and I'll give it a quick stir for it to cook until it becomes tender. I added this first because it seemed to be tougher than the oha leaf, so you wouldn't want to get that strong consistency of a leaf. So 10 minutes later I went in finally with our oha leaf. Please guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, if you like what you're watching, please encourage me by subscribing to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell to get notified whenever I post new videos. And thank you to all my returning viewers. You guys are not taken for granted. I love and appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. I'll cover and cook for 7 minutes, just 7 minutes. We don't want to overcook that vegetable. And 7 minutes later, guys, this is what we have. You can see our vegetable still retain this green color. Yes, the aroma coming right now from my kitchen, it's so nose blinding. And this soup, trust me, was so mouth watering. Would you be recreating this recipe? Kindly let me know down the comment section. Please, you can also help me share my video. But above all, help me subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified. Thank you guys, and I'll be seeing you again in my next one. Thank you for watching.